Well, good morning and welcome to the channel. This is Steve Gaston. This is September the 10th. Coming down here at the Murrells Inlet once again. Coming out down here at the oyster landing today, though. The hot fish club was dried up, so we have to come on down here today. But anyway, just wanted to get on here and let you know what's up. I'm gonna try to get out here and get on some good fish today. As you may see, I've got a brand new Garmin Striker 4CV. Don't know anything in the world about them, but I've got it hooked up. Looking like I'm in 3 foot of water. And hopefully this is gonna help me to keep off some of these oyster bars out here and be able to not get caught up on the bottom of my kayak as much and mess it up. But anyway, just wanted to kind of update you today and let you know we're headed out here today, and hope we're gonna get on some good fish today. But we'll check back with you here shortly. All right, here we go. First cast of the day. Let's see what we got over here. Anything over here? I'm gonna scoot around you if you're in.
Yep. I just got chewed up by a bluefish, so I'm gonna go with my Zman.
Oh man, yeah, that's what I got on here. I got Zman on here. They tear you up, don't they? If not that, the lizard fish.
They do.
You out over here still? Don't want to run over you.
What's that?
Are you?
No, I
Okay.
just put another lure on.
Okay, good deal. I didn't want to run over your line.
Nope, you're fine. Thank you, though.
Yes, sir. How about that, man? Man, that is a big flatty right there. A big old flatty. Pardon?
Freaking awesome.
Yeah, man, that is killer.
You get him on.
I got him on a Zman diesel Minnow. Man, that's a big flatty right there. Whew. Yeah, he's pretty doggone stout. I thought it was a red. It was so heavy. Look at that bad boy. It's a big old boy. Man, right at 24 inches. 24. $24 right there, boys. How about that? How about that right there, Jack? Yes, sir. Yes, sirree, baby. One more view here. That is a monster right there. 24 inches. Don't have my cooler with me today, but how about that? Man. That bad boy right there, man. Ain't that a killer? You gonna go, boy? You getting revived? You getting revived up, boy? Huh? Huh? There you go. Take off. Hard to let them big slabs go like that. Whew. Man, that is awesome, man. Killer awesome. Come on in the boat, boy. Oh yeah, got a nut on here, baby. Got a nut on here, baby. I thought there was a big one sitting up over there. Yeah, I did. Let's see what size this one is. It's a fairly good size one. Nothing big like that other one, baby, was, that's for sure. That was a keeper, but it's 16, right on 16.
What was that one, Steve?
That's 16.
Huh?
16.
Nice. I got 2 14s and a lizard.
You got one of them lizards, huh? I hate them rascals, man. Absolutely hate them.
Huh?
I hate them lizard fish.
I do too.
Man, they take everything, every tail off your bait, seems like.
Yeah.
No doubt about it. Yeah, I love it, man. It's cool weather, bringing some fish in.
Yeah.
You make them bite. Absolutely. I marked my waypoint back there a while ago on that fish I got.
Well, that's a freaking slog.
Man, that was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah. I've got a 22 and a 21 and a half this year.
Have you? That's the biggest I got this year. I've got, I'm about like you that I had the previous years. I had 21s, 22s, but that's the biggest I've had.
I'd like to get a 22, 23 today for that tournament.
Oh man, yeah. Is the tournament down here in Murrells?
It's a virtual tournament.
Is it? Oh, I got you.
Yeah. It's a fundraiser tournament for Heroes on the Water.
That's cool there, that's good.
I volunteer with them, and it's our biggest fundraiser.
That's awesome, man. That's really good.
Yeah, I love it.
I'll have to hook up with you, man, and get you contact info.
Yeah. That's a good little spot right there. I'm gonna pull up here to the front of Austin.
Get 'em bite, buddy.
I'll catch up with you in a bit.
Okay. There we go. Little booger right there. Little booger. Little booger in the boat. That little rascal. Okay. Let's get you done. Let's get you out of here, boy. Don't we need me? That's the teeniest flounder in the world right there. Little teeniest flounder in the world. Gotta be some big ones in here too, though. Yeah. Gotta be some big ones up in here. Maybe about like right along in here. Another little flounder. Well, they're little ones, they gotta be biggies. Alright, hold still, buddy. Hold still there, buddy. Let's see if we get that out of your mouth there, boy. You ate that thing up, didn't you? A little bitty thing, ain't it? Wow. Video thing.
Good fish on over here.
Oh, really?
Front, yeah, front of the boat.
He's pulling him around? Wow, that's nice there. Real nice.
We were going by those two boats back there in the channel. The guy had got a thread, probably might have been overslopped.
Wow. Yeah, I'd like to hook into some of that now.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna head over. They got a couple creeks, shallow creeks over on the other side of this bed.
Yeah. I actually, about 2 weeks ago, I caught 228 reds right out here.
Did you really?
Close to where you're talking about. I mean, out of the same hole, back-to-back casts.
I guess they spool up.
Yep.
Funny, sometimes they can be so skittish, and other times you can just catch them back to back.
That's amazing, ain't it? They all looking, trying to get him in.
Sorry?
They're all looking, trying to get him in, whatever it is. Oh, somebody's gonna fish this out right here. There it is somewhere on there. So I can lock the rig. Running this thing. Oh, it ain't, man. It's I don't know what it is. So, whatever it is on there. Whatever it is on there, Jack. Oh, it's another big flounder, dude. Another big flounder. You got that on, Jack? Phew. Oh, man, another good flounder. Wow. I thought I sucked on the bottom. Man, I thought I sucked on the bottom, Jack. Yes, I did. Thought I sucked on the dead gum bottom. See that? Okay. Let's get this bad boy. He done swallowed that. He done swallowed that thing, Jack. Yeah, he about swallowed that baby. See what's coming out of there. Got him, Jack. How about that? Oh. How about that, dude? Get here, dude. Oh, yeah, this is a nice one, too. Yeah, this is a nice one right here, too. See how much this one is. How much this one is. Oh yeah, he's 18 inches. 18, right at 18 inches. Wow, 18 inch baby. Nice. See that bad boy right there? 18 inches, baby. I'm gonna let you revive a little bit. We're gonna let you revive a little bit. Clouds rolling in. It's a beautiful day today though. Wow. Guess this is the outro. It's what they call it, the outro. We're headed in back to the dock. Had an awesome day today. It's a flounder day today. Caught quite a number of small ones, but we started out with a 24-inch flounder, as you've probably seen there on the video. But the 24-inch. Then we got a 16-inch. Got quite a number of small ones. Then we came back around later in the afternoon and got an 18-inch. So we had a really great flounder day. Didn't even bring a cooler with me to keep anything at all today. So we done a catch and release all day today. But Most of the stuff today was caught on a diesel Minnow Z. Can't remember the color of this, what it's called, but here it is. It's a diesel Minnow electric chicken. Diesel Minnow Z electric chicken. We're rigged up on a Zman Texas Jighead. That would be probably I think it was a 3/16 ounce. What it was. Anyway, that's what we got today. Enjoy today. Awesome, wonderful day today, and maybe we'll do it again another day this week. I hope we can do it again another day this week. I'm hoping so. Didn't get on the reds today. I was hoping to get a red today and a trout. Couldn't get to slam, but hey, what an awesome day anyway, man. That was a killer day. Take it any day of the week. Take that any day of the week. So we're going to head on in here and see if we can't load everything up. First day of out here being it with the fish finder. I think it really helped a lot today. I know we was fishing incoming tide most of the day today. Low tide was this morning at 8, and right now it's 1:23. So we fished a pretty good long way today. But really enjoyed it today. I learned a lot about fish finder today. The Garmin Striker 4 Clearview. So if you enjoyed it today, please like and subscribe, and we sure would appreciate it. Thanks a lot.